how to be emotionally, reframing all the time, and also becoming a smart person. How to become smart. That was the idea today, which is why I thought, because I have a mentor like Rahul George, who holds space for us now, for our all the cruising that we have in a day, from today to next day. He holds space for all that, and lets us speak out our minds, how we are affected, and how can we reframe, what is our mission, and how we synchronize with all that happenings of day to day life. So in smart, sit back before you snap, focus first. Power comes from your calmness, not chaos. So that is the space that you need to give yourself. In M, manage what you can control. Why to bother about what you cannot control? Let go of what you can't change. Focus fuels peace. So calmness comes from here, managing what one can control. A is acknowledge the feeling. If you are still having some feeling persisted, name it. Naming it tames it. And emotional clarity is equal to emotional control. Then for R, reset your boundaries. Even 10 minutes of setting your boundaries will protect you, your energy, and your sanity. So give 10 minutes to whatever is happening and you are feeling bubbling, boiling inside you, boiling to bubbling, so reset your thoughts like that, become calmer. And T, talk it out. Silence kind of stimulates stress, so talk it out, give it vent it out, talk to somebody. And I know there are not many people who can talk to. So we have in our community my mentor Rahul George. So we talk. I can talk to him. I can send him message notes, voice notes, and take his counseling, his message. And every message is huge. It brings kind of instant relief, and the smile that he has, and the calming voice that he has, which comes from decades of practice of all that. He doesn't pretend to be calm, he stays calm, he practices calm, no? That is what. And he is so vulnerable, so we are lucky to have him, and that is what we do, staying calm. And emotionally intelligent people are what? Who can handle stress is the first thing. And so these are the ways and the formula to stay calm. Thank you.